Rain Access Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Rain Access Solutions. Today I'm going to fix a faulty hard drive. Plug the drive into the PC. Not detected. Open the hard drive. Remove the logic board. Inspect the logic board under the microscope. Try to look for an obvious sign of a faulty component. No obvious signs? Use a multimeter, shift to diode mode, start testing each component. No problems detected. Remove the logic board, plug it to a hard drive connector. Use a thermal camera to locate any fault. No obvious fault. Remove the logic board. Clean the logic board with a PCB solution. Cool it down with a fan and dry it up. Reattach the logic board to the hard drive. Plug it in. Wait for it. There you go, it's being detected. Test it, create a new folder. There you go, it's fixed. But don't rely on this is a temporary solution. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.